Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be installing these voluptuous curly clip-ins from Curlsqueen. So if you want to see how I got this nice curly defined look, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the box that the clip-ins came in. The box itself was very cute, and inside was a pouch along with the clip-ins. Inside the pouch was a detangling brush, extra clips, and an adjustable bonnet. The detangling brush actually worked very well. I used it for the clip-ins, and I've also used it on my real hair just to see how it works. And this adjustable bonnet, let me tell you, this adjustable bonnet is so comfortable, and it really just stays on all night. Curlsqueen signifies women's beauty, power, and self-love through their hair. This is the hair fresh out the pack without any product on it. Here's a little close-up of the curls. You can see how it looks. And after this, I'm gonna add some water and some products to it so you guys can really see how the curls look. So this hair is 22 inches, which equates to about 255 grams. And I got the water kinky coily texture, which is the 4A 4B texture. And for reference, my hair is a mixture of type 4. I feel like it's mostly 4B. So I just got what I thought would work best for my hair. Okay, so what I'm doing right here is I'm just clipping the clip-ins on the hair under the braid, so the hair that's closer to the root. I feel like if you clip the clip-ins on the braid, it won't have a strong grip. It won't have a strong foundation. So in the next couple clips, you're gonna see me try to do a side part. I really did want to do a side part, but I just didn't end up leaving a leave out, and it didn't look right in my opinion. So after that, you're gonna see me transition it into a middle part. And the middle part is amazing. I loved the middle part. I haven't even finished the middle part yet, and I'm already loving it 10 times more than the side part. Now I'm undoing my leave out, and after I do that, I'm going to try to blend it in with the clip-ins. After I took out all of my leave out, I decided to add some moisturizer and gel to help me define the curls. This is how the hair looks with everything defined. I feel like the texture of my hair and the clip-ins didn't match completely, so to further blend it, I decided to put it in braids and then do a braid out. And so in the next couple clips, you're going to see me do those braids, and then after that, I'm going to take them out and show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna lie, this is like 2 days later, I want to say, but this is how the clip-ins are looking. I'll give you guys a little close-up. But the curls, yes, the curls are, ooh, the curls are definitely defined. I'm sorry if me touching the hair gets annoying, but I just really love this hair, honestly. These clip-ins, they're amazing. I give them a 10 out of 10, maybe a 12 out of 10 actually, because they're good. What? They're that good, honestly. Okay, so I'm just gonna talk about a little bit of maintenance. I've had these for like 2 or 3 days in, and so at nighttime what I do is I'll divide it into 2 sections, like straight down the middle, and I'll just braid it down. And then in the morning, usually when I wake up in the morning, it's a little bit frizzy, so what I'll do is I'll get some leave-in, actually not leave-in, I'll get some twisting souffle, get like this much, maybe a little bit more, honestly. Rub it in my hands, then just run it through the hair to get it a little bit moisturized. And then after that, I get my waxy gel, I get some of that, and I run it through the ends. I mean, I go up a little bit, but not too much, because I like the roots to be a little bit more frizzier so it can help blend with my leave out, and it also gives it a good amount of volume. And then this is how they look. And then after that, I just go in and I finger coil some of the hairs just to give it that extra definition. Finger coiling is definitely one of the best ways to define curls, so it's more defined and not as frizzy. I would say that. I'm not gonna do it too much because this hair is already pretty defined, but I just wanted to give you guys a little mini tutorial of how I got the hair like this, because it's definitely not like this when I wake up. It's a little bit more frizzier, so that's what I do just to define the ends, to give it how do I just find the ends to give it a more defined, a more less frizzy look, if that makes sense. I decided to slick my leave out down in the front just so I don't have hair in my face, because I don't like hair touching my face that much. So I slicked down like the front, and yeah, I just feel like it helps my leave out blend a little better. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys the back so you can see how the back looks. I honestly don't check the back that much, so if the back looks a mess, don't judge me. So this is the back. Another thing I can say about this hair is it just gets so big and voluptuous. Sometimes it's a little bit too big. So that's why I define the curls and stuff, to make it not as big and more tamed. But yeah. I also want to say I did not use all of the tracks. I think I still have like 3 or not tracks, wefts. I think I still have like 3 or 4 wefts that I didn't include. So yeah, just to show you how much the hair, like how much you can use, how much, I don't know, like just to show you like how much hair actually comes in the package, because the hair is this full and this is not even all the hair. So imagine if I used all the hair, that it would be like 3 times as voluptuous as this. If you stay till the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. All of the information will be linked down below, including the length, the texture, the density, the price, all of that. So if you want to see all the information about these clip-ins, then make sure to check the description box below. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.